Right, let me show you something useful if you are thinking about a house extension in the UK. This is our first visibility calculator. I built it so homeowners, investors, developers, estate agents can see real numbers before they talk to anyone. Watch a single story extension in London, for example. Let's choose London. Print HA99EJ. It's a semi-detached house around 80 square meters, 3 bedrooms. Site access is restricted. I'm not sure about the age or era. Conservation area. We can find more information about this online, but let's just go and see if I have a real extension. 4 meters or 5 meter width by 3 meters depth. The house value, I'm not sure. Maybe it's like 250k. To add 1 bedroom. Your budget expectations. We have some advantage. Cost settings here. Yes, I'm interested to have all of this information. Want to add one bath. Okay, the kitchen will be trade. I want to add a utility room. I need to have interior design for this utility room. Beached roof for the extension. By folding doors. Maybe some solar panels. I can add some exterior. Take some exterior photos of the house and add some interior photo of the kitchen, the living room, whatever, and choose some style to see it in with AI and all of these options here. You can find more about these options on the details below. As you can see, it will show you different types and materials for each one, and the interior design styles. Let's go back here and get the quotation. So it will be, as you can see, the estimated cost of between 108k and 135k. The interesting thing here is the added value to the house will be this number 68k, and if I want to rent the house, it will get me 36k per year. You can download full PDF numbers of this. Let's see, it's like my name here and my email. Okay, my phone number. I accept. Preparing your document.